Hey guys, so I'm feeling a lot better. Still hurts the sting, but I got two more locomotives that that would be a good idea to go over. Hold on. Here we go. This is the rock. Let's put it forward so we don't. Seems like it actually runs better going backwards, which is kind of weird. So let me put this one. Let me put it back, and then the rest of these are all dummies, except one. But I already showed you that one in a different video. So we'll try this one. This one doesn't have a label on it. Let's bring it this way. Oh wow, look at that. I see it. This one seems to run really, really good. It's slow, but it runs really, really smoothly. Wow, until it gets there. So this one runs really good. This one was actually from a box over here, because we're working on them, but this one doesn't seem like it needs any work whatsoever. So I'm gonna see if I can get some more locomotives, and I'll catch you guys later.